Welcome to Phonics, Fun on Farm. Farmer Frank and his animals will teach you how to read.
Who are you? Select your player.
Select which letters you want to play with. Remember, you get new stickers for each minigame you complete. To see your stickers, tap on the flower icon. Level 1. Tap on any of the games and try the activities Farmer Frank prepared for you.
Letter sounds. Hello! The animals want to tour the farm. Pop the correct balloons to make a train for them.
P.
Good reading.
A.
Amazing! Excellent! Amazing!
S.
Great! Keep up the effort.
S.
You're really good at this.
T.
Amazing! Nice reading.
A.
Great! Keep up the effort.
P.
Great work!
S.
Good reading.
P.
You're a great reader.
A.
You're a great reader. Great work!
T. T.
Excellent!
A.
You're a great reader.
S.
Great work!
T.
Excellent!
P.
You're really good at this. Great job! You just completed the train. Animals can explore the farm now. Awesome! Look, you've got a new sticker. Play with your stickers.
There's always so much fun on this farm. Tap on any of the games to start playing.
Blending sounds. The animals are playing a game. The farmer speaks like a robot, sounding out sounds in each word. Listen carefully to find out which animal got the answer right. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
A. P.
At, map, sat, Pam. Awesome! Map. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
S. At.
Sat, sap, at, Sam. Awesome! Sat. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
P.
Pat, at, tap, mat. That's right! Tap. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
P.
Sap, map, Pam, tap. That's it, sap. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
Pam, pat, sap, at. Awesome! Pat. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
Mat, at, Pam, map. Correct. Mat. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
Pam, sat, pat, at. Awesome! Pam. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
Sam, tap, Pam, pat. That's right! Sam. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
At, sap, map, tap. That's it, at. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
Sat, at, Sam, Pam. That's right, Sam. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
P. Tap, sap, map, sat. That's it, map. Tap on the animal which guessed the word.
At.
Pat, at, map, Sam. Great work, Pat. Great work. Animals are hungry. Drag the food to the animals.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
Awesome! You did it! You got a new sticker. Play with your stickers.
Tap on any of the games and try the activities Farmer Frank prepared for you.
Fluent reading. Help Farmer Frank grow the trees by tapping on the clouds with words called. Mat, mat, map, 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 map. Mat, 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 map, 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 sap, map, 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 sap, 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 pat, 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 Sam. Pam. Tap, 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 sat, 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 sat. Great work! You were really helpful. Awesome! You got a new sticker. Drag your stickers onto the scene to build your own farm.
There's always so much fun on this farm. Tap on any of the games to start playing.